Hi, in this video we are going to solve question number 41 of GATE 2028 physics paper. The question is from mathematical physics. The question is, for a complex function f of z is equal to 16z upon z plus 3 into z minus 1 whole square, the residue at the pole z is equal to 1 is. Now, first of all, let me tell you what is the general formula through which you can find the residue of pole of any order. So, residue of a function f of z at some pole z0, and the order of the pole is n, can be written as 1 upon m minus 1 factorial d m minus 1 d of z m minus 1 limit z tending to z0 z minus z0 to the power m f of z. So this is a general way through which you can find residue of any function at any pole of any order m. M is the order of the pole, z0 is the pole. So our function is 16z upon z plus 3 z minus 1 whole square. So in order to find pole, we equate the denominators equal to 0, and since we have to find the pole, the order of the residue at this pole z is equal to 1, so we know that this pole is of order 2. Therefore, the residue of fz can be written as 1 upon m minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 factorial d2 minus 1 dz2 minus 1 limit z tending to z0, which is 1, z minus 1 to the power 2 f of z, which is 16z upon z plus 3 z minus 1 square. So cancel out. So this will just become 1 factorial, 1 upon 1 factorial d by dz of this will just become d by dz of, when you put limit z is equal to 1, it will come 16, so it will come out 16 d by dz of my pardon, it's not that we put the value of 16. First we do the calculation. So 16 will just come out, and we will have what? We'll have z upon z plus 3 d by dz of z upon z plus 3, which is at z is equal to 1. So we have to calculate this. So basically what we have done is that we've just put in the values of this m and this formula, and then we've just calculated this this derivative. We have to calculate d by dz of z upon z plus 3. Okay, so it will just become an easy derivative to solve. So you can just use the quotient dividend this rule. So it will become z plus 3 to 1 minus z 1 at z is equal to 1. So it will become 16 times, this will become 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1, and bracket 1 plus 3 4 16. So 4 minus 1 3. Yes, so for this question the residue at the pole z is equal to 1 is nothing but 3, so you have to write 3. This is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching.